Hey YouTube, I'm completely by myself, just chilling. Hello. Oh, there's Miranda. We're just sharing a shirt because it's double XL, and we thought it'd be a good idea. And it's kind of funny. It's what is it? Raiders and Frisco shirt. Wait, maybe we should like set it down. Oh god. Oh no. Just no big deal. Cool. Bye, YouTube. Bye.